Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Sandy. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, are we ready to shoot here?
I've been shooting.
Got that one out with her nostril.
Lovely.
This is something Cheryl would have done when she was that age.
The movie camera's going. Yes, say again.
What? Say hi, Mom.
Got it?
Oh, I think the movie. Oh,
Oh, it's had a movie thing? Oh, no.
my goodness.
This is my sister. We're sisters.
Hi, Josh.
Hello.
She's shy.
A mode where we can,
Here she is.
you just press it and
I don't like moving pictures.
Yeah?
Yeah,
I like to be in
so
them.
you